my YouTube creators. Guys, I've been gone for about a month. Let me explain. I was doing something on my phone and forgot that my phone, my tablet, and my computer are all linked to one another. And upon doing something on my phone, I deleted out a lot of footage. That just kind of made me depressed because it was a lot of work that I had done. I'm slowly recreating those things. Today, I am going to bring you some unique wall sconces. So let me show you what I will be using. I am going to be using a Dollar Tree plastic plate. They come 4 in a pack, and I just spray painted the back of it metallic silver. I have a plate here that I got from Efavormart. I've got my metallic charger trays that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm using some ice rocks in small, in silver, and in the clear. I'm using some diamonds that I got from Amazon. And I got the rocks from Amazon also. I'm using those in clear. And then I spray painted some silver using that same metallic silver spray paint. I have some big rock ice crystals that I got from Amazon in silver. I also have some silver sequins, some wedding scatter. I also have some of my Glam glitter. I've already mixed up some epoxy. I'm also going to add a little of this decorative filler that I get from Michael's. Not a lot, just a little, because I'll be covering it on top once I put my items in. And for the diamonds, I'm going to try to sit them up some. Then I have 2 of the ice cubes that's going in. Followed by 2 of the silver ice cubes. A few of the small ice crystals. We'll pour just a little bit more epoxy. We're going to let this sit up for about 10 minutes. We're going to take our plates. And I am going to pour a little of the epoxy into the plate. Try to spread it around a little bit. Glam glitter mixture that I made. I'm going to sprinkle some right on top. And the last of the epoxy I am going to put on top. Let's put some of my sequins. Okay, we're going to set this to the side, let it dry for 24 hours, and come back and do the second part. Our trays and our plate has had 24 hours to dry. So the next thing to do is to take a little of the epoxy that I already mixed up, and we're going to glue this plate, this saucer, to the big plate. I always like using epoxy because it holds better than the glue in this heat. My motto is do it right the first time and I don't have to do it over. Take our tray, and we're going to put a little epoxy on the side, and that's what's going to hold the plate in place. About 2 inches. Let's turn it around. I'm good, guys. 2 inches on each side. Put this back in the center. And if it wants to slide a little bit, just put a glass of water on top so everything can stay in place. Okay, I'm going to do the next one off camera, and I'll be back with the reveal.